Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Thursday afternoon with the Cape Cod Weatherblast update. The long Labor Day weekend is fast approaching, and we have some big time changes coming for the weather forecast. You know, earlier this week I thought it was going to be sunny and beautiful all weekend long in the Cape. That's not going to be the case. We'll get into that in a second. First of all, weather forecast this afternoon being brought to you by good friends at Cape Cod Tree Service for tree removal, tree pruning, and stump grinding. Call Cape Cod Tree Service at 508-237-3902. All right, here's what's happening in terms of the weather headline for the Cape and the Islands. We're talking about beautiful weather returning here for tomorrow and Saturday with temperatures in the 70s. Then rain and wind and rough seas move in here Sunday straight on through Tuesday, as by then we'll be tracking tropical storm Hermine coming up the Cape, moving right over or perhaps west of us. The track yet and the intensity are still very much to be determined. But we're dealing with a cold front this afternoon with a lot of clouds in the Cape and the Islands, but that'll be leaving tonight as dry air on north and northeast winds come down from northern New England. But rain, as of early this afternoon, continues to pelt the Cape. You can see Chatham radar showing a large slug of heavy rain from eastern Long Island, southern Rhode Island, throughout much of Cape Cod and the islands. This continues to push off to the east at about 20 miles an hour. But it's going to be a rainy afternoon, folks. No two ways about it. Out of doors, you need raincoats and umbrellas. Let's look at the latest situation with Tropical Storm Hermine, which is very close to becoming a hurricane. As of 10 o'clock this morning, it was located about 175 miles to the south-southwest of Apalachicola, moving north-northeast at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Top winds are 65 miles per hour, but I'm sure now it's a hurricane. You can see the eye to the storm, and it will be slamming at the northwestern portions of Florida this afternoon and overnight tonight before it moves over the Carolinas. Now, here's the track of Hermine. This is from the National Hurricane Center. This is their official track from northwestern Florida over to the Carolinas and then keeping it south of New England. We'll see if that's the real world or not, or if it wants to jaunt off to the west. Anyway, we're talking about a lot of rain and wind moving into the Cape here. Sunday and Monday, unfortunately for Labor Day, could be a very stormy day. So here's my short-range forecast for the Cape and the Islands for this afternoon. It's rain. I think I'm being optimistic by saying sun. I just don't think that's going to happen. I think rain, heavy at times, will gradually end by this evening. Muggy this afternoon, temperatures in the mid-70s. Then overnight, slow clearing, temperatures 57 at 64. Here's your 5-day forecast for the Cape and the Islands. For today, sun, beg your pardon, for tomorrow, sun and fair weather clouds, breezy and cool, upper 60s, low 70s. Saturday, it's partly sunny and nice. It'll be in the 70s. Then rain and wind here Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And of course, we'll be around on tracking Hermine, and we'll keep you posted. For now, I'm Mark Rosenthal.